They told her she was nothing, a nobody, a burden.
Why is it taking you all day to clean the whole house?
After her father died, they took everything. Her home, her name, her future. And she believed them, until one day she found the truth. She was never the servant. She was the owner. And the people who stole her life were about to lose everything.
She is the real daughter and heir. The stepmother forged documents and stole...
This video you just watched was created using a completely free AI tool. No payment, no subscription. And ever since Grok AI became paid, creators everywhere have been searching for an alternative. But what I'm about to show you might actually be even better. If you've been using Grok for content, scripts, or ideas, this change probably caught you off guard. But don't worry, I've got you. Because today, I'm showing you a powerful free alternative called Digen AI and how you can use it to create videos just like this. Now, here's what most people think, that this is the end of free AI tools. In fact, this is where things get interesting. Let me introduce you to Digen AI. This is a free AI tool that lets you generate videos, create images, and produce content fast. Now watch this. All you need to do is type a simple prompt like this, and within seconds, you get something like this.
Please subscribe to support the channel.
If you love this, go ahead and tap the like button. It might seem small, but it really helps this video reach more people like you. Now, let me show you exactly how to use Digen step by step. First, open your Chrome browser and type Digen AI. You'll see Digen.ai, click on it. Once it opens, you'll be asked to sign up using your Google account. After that, you'll see this interface. Digen AI gives free users a mix of starter credits and daily recurring credits. New users usually get between 300 to 400 credits, and you also get around 120 credits daily just for logging in, which is more than enough to create videos every day. Now, before we continue, I already created my script and image prompts using ChatGPT and generated my images using Whisk AI. If you want me to show that full process, drop a comment below saying, "Show me." I actually check the comments, and I create videos based on what you want to learn. Here's the prompt I used for the script. You can take a quick screenshot. Here's the script, and here are the image prompts. I'll also leave everything in the description below. Now, back to Digen. On the left-hand side, click here to upload your image. Below that, you can also upload a starting frame and an ending frame if you want. Next, enter your prompt in this text box, including what you want the characters to say. Once you're done, click on Generate Video. Each video costs 20 credits, while each image costs 5 credits. So I've already generated my images, and I'll upload one here. Now I'll paste my prompt into the text box. I want the stepmother to say, "Why is it taking you all day to clean the whole house?" Here's the full prompt. A young girl being scolded harshly while holding cleaning tools, others dressed richly, emotional tension, dramatic lighting, 3D animated style. The woman says, "Why is it taking you all day to clean the whole house?" Now I click Generate Video. And our video is ready. What do you think? Honestly, this is amazing. And if you know someone who's been struggling to start creating content, share this video with them. It could be exactly what they need to finally begin. If you like it, click the download button here to save your video. And if you're not satisfied, you can simply regenerate it. So let's break this down into 4 simple steps. Step 1, generate your idea. Step 2, turn it into a script using ChatGPT. Step 3, create visuals using Whisk AI or any image generator. Step 4, animate everything using Digen. Then take it into CapCut and edit your final video. And the best part? With this simple process, you can create story videos, motivational content, shorts, even viral clips. Right now, you don't need expensive tools. You don't need experience. You just need to start. So if you want to learn how to use tools like this and actually grow on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Because on this channel, you're not just watching videos, you're learning how to create your own. Now, one important thing you should know, the better your prompt, the better your results. Instead of saying, make a video, say something like, create a cinematic, emotional story with dramatic lighting and narration. That one small change makes a huge difference. So if Grok going paid slowed you down, now you've got something even better. A free tool with powerful creative potential. Try Digen today and start creating. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share because it really helps this video reach more people like you.